Okay guys, so there they are. These are the 9 minifigures I got. So here we have Pennywise, we have Leatherface, Jigsaw, Chucky, Jigsaw again, Jason, Freddy Krueger, and I found out that it actually has a brown hand because that's the glove. Okay, so it has two different colors, just one for the glove and one for the hand. We have our friend Michael Myers, and finally Pinhead. As you can see, they're really nice. They can make a really nice displays, and now that we are approaching Halloween, it's definitely a conversation piece. I'm waiting for a few ones that I also order from the classic monsters like Frankenstein, the werewolf, and so on. So when I get those, I will make another video so you can see them. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it thumbs up. If you want to make any comments, go ahead. I'll read all the comments and I'll answer them. So thank you so much, guys, and happy Halloween.